Today is November 3rd, 2024, so we fell back an hour last night, and this morning I was very discombobulated that my smartwatch, which is supposed to be a smartwatch, did not fall back, and I didn't have the right time. I was an hour off all day. Well, anyway, when I had time this evening, I tried to figure it out. I went to settings, I went everywhere, and I couldn't find it. I endeavored to find a solution online, and no one helped clearly, so I kind of figured it out. I'm able to bind this smartwatch to my smartphone, and there's an app called FitCloud Pro. So when I open it up, I just go to device and I put bind device, and it's finding a watch, and it already did the KE3, and so I press connect and then agree to the phone binding request. I'm like, okay, but as soon as I saw the time, it was automatic. It accounted for the daylight savings time, and not only that, it was about a half a second off from the world date and time, because I wanted to test for accuracy, so I go to that website and it was accurate down to the second. And so all I had to do was just bind the watch to my phone, and that did the trick. And I hope that could help you. I mean, I'm not sure if it just works for however you pronounce this brand, or if it works with other brands of smartwatches that don't allow you to change the time in its settings, because again, I searched everywhere. Now, in all candor, I'm not the most tech-savvy person on the planet, so if somehow you have a faster solution, please comment below. I'm just posting this video just to be a help, but sometimes it takes a community of people. And if you also find a video that explains it clearly, because I couldn't find it, then also leave a link in the comments too if you want. Again, I just want to help, and I hope that was helpful. Have a great rest of autumn and winter.